I didn't notice this when I left or when I came out this way. And when I turned around, I found two that looks like lily petals or flowers on the ground on the gravel road. This is different. This is odd. And I point at this one. I don't know what they are. It's strange. I don't know if something left it there after I passed by. Maybe an animal. Maybe a Sasquatch. It's all part of discovery. It's all about learning about your environment and mastering it and paying attention to detail. Well, that was my discovery on the way back. So I'll keep my eyes out, keep my head on a swivel. We'll see what we discover on the way back. Another discovery on the way back. I did not notice this branch leaned up in the fork of the tree. It's an old stick, been there for a while. Maybe the road crew put it there. I don't know why. I notice on this side of the tree some wood is splitting off, and somehow it landed perfectly right flies in the crotch of the tree. If it landed in the foliage, why would anybody pick it up and put it in the crotch of the tree? Unless it landed perfectly that way. It's like it could happen. And see where it came from. Well, you guys make the decision. Still walking. I'm on my way back. Just gonna leave it on for a little bit. And you can get the feel for the long road home. Gonna take a look at my backtrack. You got to do that a little once in a while when you're hiking, just so you remember where you came from. Say you're not on a road, and there could be things going on behind you don't even know. So it's good to turn around, take a look at your tracks behind you and the path that you took. So it's just good, useful advice. I'm going to keep walking. It's a good time to go home or go back. But I do have my survival gear with me. I got a good knife. I got a water container. I got cordage. I got combustion device. And I got covering. So I think I got what I need to survive in this general area. So I think those are the 5 C's. If I'm missing one, I'll figure it out later. I have it with me anyway. So take a look over there. Take a look over there. It's kind of dark in there. Anything can hide in there. 10 yards away, and you wouldn't know it if it was laying low. I love this hike. I had a great time. I recorded it. I paid attention to details. I feel good. For those hikers out there that want to have a purpose to their hiking, try squatching. It makes it a little more fun, and you notice more details. And record it so you have the memory. Okay. There's the car. I'm signing out. Remember, let your freak flag fly.